Hello and welcome back to Easy How To video. Today we're going to dive into a topic that can enhance your browsing experience, how to use Google Chrome extension. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to explore new tools, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Google Chrome extensions are like a handy little apps that you can add to your browser to customize and improve your online activities. Here's how to use them. First, open Google Chrome and go to Chrome Web Store. You can access it by clicking the three vertical dots in the top right corner and selecting Extension from the menu. In the Chrome Web Store, you can explore thousands of extensions. You can use the search bar to find a specific one or browse through different categories. Once you find an extension you like to install, click on it to open its detail page. Here you can learn more about what it does and see user reviews. To install the extension, click the Add to Chrome button. Confirmation dialog will appear. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will be downloaded and installed. You'll see its icon in the top right corner of your browser. To manage your installed extension, click on their icon in the top right corner next to the address bar. From here, you can access the extension setting, disable it temporarily, or remove it altogether. Now, let's explore a few useful Chrome extensions you might find helpful. Adblock Plus blocks annoying ads and pop-up, making your browsing experience smoother. LastPass help you manage and secure your password. Grammarly check your spelling and grammar as you type, perfect for writing emails or documents. Honey automatically find and applies coupon code when you shop online, saving you money. If you ever want to disable or remove extension, it's easy. Just right-click on its icon and select Remove from Chrome to uninstall it, or Manage extension to access more options. There you have it. Using Google Chrome extension is a fantastic way to personalize your browsing experience and make your daily tasks more efficient. Thanks for watching Easy How To videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Easy How To videos. If you have any question or topics you'd like us to cover, leave comment below. Until next time and happy browsing with your new Chrome extension.